Hello everyone, my name is Aryan and I am part of the GenAI competency in Hexaware. We develop GenAI products for Hexaware internal teams and customers. For me, it will be relentless innovation. Just because something is good does not mean it cannot be better, and that's what we strive for when we are delivering products for our customers. So it's always been great. I got a lot of learning opportunities in Hexaware, from the courses to the interviews and other technical assistance that we get from our superiors. It's been a great journey and I've learned a lot, and also Hexaware provides you with the facility to actually implement those learnings in the projects. So it's been a great experience. So my favorite superhero would be Iron Man. I have always watched him growing up, and that has actually led me to the tech world.